Assalamualaikum and very good evening to everyone. This is Maria bint Mohsin. I'm a student of Smart English Learning, but I study at class 7 in Bonneful Adibashi Greenheart College. My father's name is A.H.M. Mohsin. He's a service holder. He works at Global Affairs of Canada. And my mother's name is Disifat Rabbi Pia. She's a housewife. She takes care of me and my whole family. I have two elder sisters. Their names are Noshin Tabassum, who studies in Sylhet Osmani Medical College, and Janatul Mawa, who is in class 8 in SOS Herman Maynard College. My aim in life is to be a doctor and help to the poor peoples for free. My favorite color is pink. My favorite foods are fried rice and chicken fry. I live at Bhutan in Dhaka with my family in peace. I like my family and the whole family of Smart English Learning also. So that's all about myself. Thank you very much.